Need to update how you pay on Zara? Let's walk through changing your payment method in the app. Start by opening the Zara app and heading to the profile section. Tap on wallet or payment methods depending on your region. You'll see your saved cards listed here. To add a new one, tap on payment method, then enter your new card details. You want to remove the old one? Just tap the delete or trash icon next to the outdated card. Now, when you check out, you can simply choose the updated card to pay. Zara also accepts Apple Pay, PayPal, and gift cards in some regions, so you can keep it flexible. What payment method do you usually use for shopping online? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.